Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can restore your images or videos in your gallery app in OPPO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your gallery app like this. You can see I have deleted this photo. How you can restore it? First you have to click on albums. Here it is recently deleted. You can see, but just long press this image and click on restore, and this item is restored now. You can see this, and you can restore up to 30 days. After 30 days it will be permanently deleted. You can't restore it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.